What's up everybody, welcome to another video for today. On today's video I'll be showing you how to set up your Cardano wallet. We will be setting up our Nami wallet, so make sure that you pay attention because this is going to be a very quick tutorial. Now do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button so that you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video on the daily basis. The first thing is first, you're going to need to Google Nami wallet extension, but I will leave the link in the description to make everything easy for you guys. Once you have clicked on the link, it will take you onto this page. This is where you are going to add your Nami wallet extension to your Chrome. Once you have clicked on add extension, automatically it will download it and then install it automatically. Now beware, it might take a couple of minutes depending on your network, but if you have fast internet it should take a couple of seconds, and then from there it will be added to your Chrome. Now the Nami wallet has been added to our Chrome, as you can see, and then what you're going to do is click on this extension icon. As you can see, now our wallet has been added. Now this is the part where we will be setting up our new wallet. If you have a wallet and you just want to import the keys, you can just go ahead and click import, but on this video we are creating a new wallet. Now as you can see, make sure no one is watching the screen while the seed phrase is visible. So make sure that nobody is looking into your screen because they might steal your tokens if they have access to your seed phrase. We're going to click on continue. And as you can see, this is our seed phrase. Now you want to go ahead and write down all these words on a piece of paper, and make sure that that piece of paper is not thrown anywhere, but it's kept in a very secure place, because that's the seed phrase you're going to need to access your wallet one day when you need to access your wallet again. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the seed phrase, and then you can go ahead and click I have stored the seed phrase, and then next. Now as you can see over here, we're going to need to verify the seed phrase. It's asking us to enter the 15 word, so you're going to go ahead and check for the word that was whichever word basically on your wallet they're asking you to add. So I'm going to add this word right here. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and click on next, and this is where you want to name your wallet. We're going to name this one test wallet, and then create a good password. Make sure that nobody can access your wallet, so you want to have a good strong password. Go ahead and click on create, and our wallet has been successfully created. And then from here we can go back to our browser and then click on the extension and then click on the Nami wallet, and then from there you will see that your wallet has been successfully created. As you can see, here's our test wallet. Now this is where you will see all your tokens. As you can see, currently we have no assets, and on this icon right here, this is where you will see all of your NFTs if you have any NFTs on your wallet, and this is where you will see all the history of the transaction that you have done within your wallet. Now let's just say you want to receive some Cardano or whichever token that's supported on the Nami wallet. You can go ahead and click on receive. It will give you this barcode right here. You can go ahead and scan it, or you can just copy this address right here, and then from there you can send it to whichever person will be sending you some Cardano. And if you want to send some Cardano, go ahead and click on send, enter the wallet that the person has given you, and then from here you can enter your amount, and then from there click on send. So that's just a quick tutorial as to how you can set up your wallet. On the next video I'll be showing you how to delegate some of your Cardano within Nami wallet, so make sure that you watch out for that video, and make sure that you are subscribed and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload the next video as to how to delegate your Cardano tokens. It's Ebrahim Mbokazi, and I will see you on the next video.